बिरेस्तारा मुख्यमंत्री देवदर्शन योजनेअंतर्गत मडगांव सावन वेलंकनी सायबिणीच्या यात्रेक सुरुवात जाली। ह्या वेळार समाज कल्याण खात्याचे मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसाय हाणें मडगांव रेल्वे स्टेशना वयल्यान भक्तांक 5वो बावटो दाखयलो। वेलंकनी सायबिणीच्या दर्शनाक गेल्ल्या भक्तांक थंयच्या वाठारांतली प्रसिद्ध थळां पळोवपाक कांय वेळ दितले। मुख्यमंत्री देवदर्शन योजने खातीर पुराय 10 कोटींची मंजुरी मेळ्ळ्या। तातूंतल्यान वेलंकनी सायबिणीच्या यात्रेक 2 कोटी खर्च काडून वट्ट 8 कोटी बाकी उरल्यात। तशेंच मुख्यमंत्री देवदर्शन योजने अंतर्गत 19 जानेराक अयोध्या देवदर्शन यात्रेक सुरुवात जातली अशी घोषणा मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसायान ह्या वेळार केली।
आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत आणि गोवा सरकार हांचे तर्फे मुख्यमंत्री देवदर्शन यात्रा दिस इयर्स फर्स्ट ट्रेन ह्या वर्साची पहिली ट्रेन आसा ती आमची मडगांव स्टेशना वयल्यान वालंकिनी सायबिणीच्या दर्शनाक वता अँड आयज त्या ट्रेनीक वी हॅव कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ समथिंग अराउंड 1200 पहिली 1000 आसली वी थॉट दॅट इट वूड बी इनसफिशियंट देर शूड नॉट बी एनी इनकन्विनियन्स वी एडेड सम मोर बोगीज पण सगळे आयज भरले ना पण इवन दॅन एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ दीस आय वेलकम ऑल दी यात्रीज हू हॅव कम बाय देअर ओन हांगासून आयज सकाळचे 10:30 वरांचेर ही ट्रेन वयता ती आमची वालंकिनी वयता सो टुडे इज 9 tomorrow 10th January it will reach exactly at this time to Valankini and Valankini वयता आसतना when they get down they will be taken on a coach to a hotel accommodation where they will have all तांचे कितें करपाचें उदक न्हावपाचें जावं बाकीचें सगळें and then they will take a rest for few hours and then the operator will drop them at the church आणि चर्चाक आमी एक स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट केल्ले आसा थंयचे पदिकारांक घेवन आणि थंय मास जातलो आणि त्या मासाच्या उपरांत दे वील गेव अराउंड 4-5 hours or 6 hours टायम टू मूव अराउंड फॉर सायट सीइंग आणि तांचे भितरूच विदीन दॅट प्रिमाइस ओनली अँड देन दे वील बी टेकन बॅक टू दी हॉटेल अँड देन दे वील हॅव तांचे बाकीचे कितें करपाचें अँड सेम नायट दे वील रिटर्न बॅक they'll have to board in the train at 10 o'clock in the night on 10th and 11 तारखेर at about 11 they will reach Goa back with this 3-day tour. Within this त्यांका सगळे आमी refreshment, morning breakfast, afternoon lunch and dinner will be supplied. A very good food, hygienic food will be supplied by the tour operator and they will be taken care everywhere. They will not spend a single rupee during this for any of the facilities. This is entirely free of cost journey to them, and this being a first time, maybe there was a short of time and there were some appeals made by some of these not to go and all these things, but we are happy that more than 50% of the bogies are filled and next tour would be on 19th to go to Ayodhya. त्या अयोध्या टुराचे खुबशे आयज मागणी जाल्ली आसा and if possible we will try to add on the bogies also because though we have not opened up the counters, there are a lot of inquiries and lot of MLAs are putting pressure. At this time also we have informed सगळ्या आमच्या आमदारांक 3 दीस पयलीं सांगले की they have to get prepared with that and a special login was also provided for that to get the people. At the same time कोणी ओपनली जे कोण लॉगिन जावन त्यांचे बुकिंग आसात विदाउट एनी इन्फ्लुएन्स विदाउट एनी pressure from anybody. Everybody, our portal was open, website was open, and this is how we got into this. This year, this is being a first train, but however, we are not short of any facility, as regards to their food, as regards to their bogie, their convenience, त्यांची compartment, very clean, hygienic food. Everything and accommodation is also 3-star facility. This is provided by Government of Goa and I thank the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and the cabinet, entire cabinet and the government for giving us such a facility for pilgrimage.
आज किती साऊथ गोवाचेच
No, this is for entire Goa. This was for entire Goa. पण रुडॉल्फाच्या खूपशा around 100 people from Santa Cruz also have come here and they have joined. आणि साऊथाक आमी अपील केल्लें and I hope the next trip will go very well.
सर यात्रा करे केन्ना तक
You know, we have something like 8 crores in our budget for this year. You know, the sanction was 10 crores, but 2 crores was, was organized to pay the bills, earlier bills.
अयोध्येचे चढ असतले किती
अयोध्येचेर आसतले. अयोध्येक we have started with on 19th January अयोध्या ट्रिप वयतली. ताजे नंतर लेटर आमी पळयतले. Depending upon the response of the people, if required, we will organize some more trips also. And we have got the sanction for 4 coaches. One of these, another 3 coaches will go. We will decide on how the response to which place.
आणि खंयच्या जाग्यार असतले
ना अजून पर्यंत केले ना. आमी पळयतले रिस्पॉन्स पळयतले खंयच्या जाग्यार कितें लोकांची मागणी आसा त्या प्रमाणे आमी करतले.